All right, we're gonna replace the system CPU fan on this guy. That's the new fan. The BIOS keeps popping up a message during the boot. And that's what it looks like. All right, so what we're gonna do, everything disconnected, lie it down on a flat surface, make sure no cables, nothing is in the way. Sweet. Okay, there's a button here, press. Hey, push up and lift up. There we go. And there is a clip here, push down and then slide up. Very simple. That's the little bit that you push down and then slide up. We're going to give all this a good clean. It's got two fans. This is the fan that it's complaining about. And it looks like the connection is coming here. Let's see if we can be cheeky without having to remove this whole body here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we can get away with murder. Lift it up gently. There we go. Disconnect that. Yeah, this one doesn't turn as easily. Okay, that's gonna go. Before that, I'm gonna give this a good clean. So, we're gonna use a blower tool. Clean out there as well. There's a lot of dust there too. Alright. Hopefully I don't drop it. I'll be right back. Just realized this one has a regular hard drive. Maybe there is another SSD in there. That's a 2.5-inch drive. Okay. Put that through the hole. That spins beautifully. Okay, now double check the way the connector will go. Use a tweezer, slide it in. Definitely doesn't look easy. Yeah, that is tricky. I've been putting the wrong way in. Okay. Yep, I got it in. Ugh. Okay. Spray this guy too. The back panel. Slide it back in. And then the feet. Give the feet a good wipe. Wow, that is a very heavy feet. Okay. All right. Oh, this has a popping camera. Okay. Let's see if we get any error message again. Okay. Power. Okay. Normally we get the error message straight away. Hope it boots up. We'll do F12, do a quick diagnostics. Time of day not set up. F5. Great. Yeah. The fan is made by Foxconn. Yeah, testing processor in progress. If there's any problems, I'll continue. But thanks for watching. See you in the next one.